So what's going on, community? Welcome back to another video. So guys, today we are going to explore another amazing shoe seller. That name is Japper Shop basically. So on this platform you could buy literally anything. So today we are going to dive in this platform. OOP Spreadsheet is also available there. This spreadsheet doesn't support any endorsed state of the counterfeit good and hopes this information is only to aid buyers. So before starting our video, make sure that you have liked, share and subscribe my channel, and after subscribe my channel, please hit the bell icon. Then you will get an access of all my videos notification, and request to all guys, please watch the video till end for the better experience. And guys, their WhatsApp number is also available there in front of you. You could contact if you want to buy something else. And here is guys, first we are going to check out the products. Products are also available in front of you, and LV skate sneakers, Nike Jordan 4 Air Max Plus TN is also available there on this platform, like S6 Gel NYC, Nike Air Force A1 Low basically available there. You could buy the shoes. Like after buying the shoes, you could also buy the hoodies, shorts, like bags, card holders. Everything is available there, so you can go and check them out. Like some type of the brands bags are also available there. You could buy everything, like the brands shoes, the brands clothing, the brands accessory, like yours, like you could say the bags, you could say the bags, everything. And after that, here's are still like shorts are also available there. The top and jackets are also available there, so you could go and check them out. It's a Canada Goose Crawford packable hooded jacket is also available there in the cheapest price. Like the prices are ranges from 20 USD to 100 USD. So you could buy literally anything on this platform in just cheaper prices. And they're still gonna be lowered, and their prices all will be written here, and you can check it out, and everything is available in front of you. So guys, let me show you how you can buy. First, you need to click on the link over there. Is also available there. I have clicked the link and check out it. This is our product. His source link are also available there, and if you want to buy, you could buy through the Kako buy, US fans, fans buy, OSS buy, Mule buy, Hippo buy, Fish go, Vigor buy, NP buy, Rizit go, Ishmol buy, Span buy, CN shopper, OOP buy. Everything is there, so you could select out the platform through which agent you are going to buy, and everything will be in front of you. And let me show you how you can do that. This is OOPBUY link is going to be open. Let me show you how you can buy. This is a super easy way. Like you could also check the QC of the products. Like here you can check it out. Everything is there in front of you. How their products looking, how they're like, how you can check out these products available there. So everything is here in front of you. And after that, here's the OOPBUY link is also available there, so you could check it out, add to cart and buy now option. Both options are also available there in front of you. You could buy everything on this platform, and all the links in the description. If you are interested, you can check out these platforms. And after that, the limited time offer is 80% off basically. You could check them out, and there are still a lot of the products you could buy on this platform. This spreadsheet is also available there, so if you are interested in buying, click the link in below in the description and explore the new era of the shopping. We'll meet in our next video, so have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and thanks.